बिट्या गाडीतनं सगळे काढलं ना अजून एक बोला ना गाडीमध्ये बघायला बघा आणलं का ठीक आहे
We are here to announce a major recovery of arms and ammunition in the Rampur sector. This recovery has taken place yesterday, and I'll give you a brief insight into the circumstances that have led to this recovery. On 30th of August, that is day before yesterday, a suspicious movement was observed by our troops along the line of control in Rampur sector. Seeing the suspicious movement, requisite action was taken by the troops on ground to strengthen our surveillance posture along the line of control. And let me tell you, the area is dense forest with nalas. Thereafter, no further movement was observed in the night. On 31st morning, our search parties were launched to search the area in which this movement was observed. After intense search that lasted about 7 hours, a huge cache of arms and ammunition was recovered from the area. The major highlights of the recovery are there are 5 AK series rifles, 6 pistols, 23 grenades, 2 radio sets, and more than 1200 rounds of ammunition. Now, this recovery highlights that Pakistan is unrelenting in its efforts to pump in arms and ammunition to support terrorism in Kashmir. Own alert troops in the area have been able to defeat this attempt. And along with this recovery, another recovery was made in Bunyar sector, in which we have recovered 2 AK series of rifles, 1 pistol, 10 grenades, and 2 radio sets. So together, these recoveries constitute about 14 weapons and more than 1300 rounds of ammunition. The modus operandi used by Pakistan to smuggle weapons into India, after being frustrated in its infiltration attempts, the modus operandi now being used is that weapons are being dumped close to the line of control. Thereafter, they task some of the OGWs, which could be residents of the villages that are in the area, which are ahead of the fence, and lure them with drugs or money to smuggle the weapons to support the terrorism. We are committed to safeguard the sanctity of line of control, and all such attempts are being defeated. Thank you. That's all.
Is there any input regarding for the weapon this outfit was made for the people who were looking for the weapon to get it and smuggle it to the hinterland? Anything on that? Any lead? The weapon was meant for which outfit?
Drop in the vicinity of line of control. Till now, as of now, we have no inputs for a specific outfit for this, which this drop was intended. I'm sure that will come out once we connect the dots.
So
last 24
an attack on army convoy.
See, what you have seen is that the terrorists who are getting killed, mainly in South Kashmir, they are in possession of pistols. So the terrorists are feeling the heat that they're not getting the support of the requisite weapons. So the pressure would be on Pakistan, because because they are trying to support the terrorism, to pump in more advanced weapons and ammunition. So this is an attempt to, I would say, reinforce the terrorism which is now feeling the heat of increased cooperation of amongst various agencies for the civil population. So obviously Pakistan would try and intensify its efforts to pump in more weapons. So this is not in isolation. Such recoveries have been made in the recent past as well. What is of importance is that being frustrated in attempts to send in people, now the focus appears to be to send in weapons when they can't get their people across.
So 2 people have been arrested in yesterday's army attack by the Jammu Kashmir police. Any further leads?
There was a grenade throwing incident in Baramulla yesterday, and the 2 arrests have been made. Apparently, these individuals are suspected to be involved in the grenade lobbing incident. But as of now, we cannot connect the dots between those individuals and then these recoveries.